Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Not sure when this video will be up, but Happy New Year's, and hopefully 2021, will bring more clarity than 2020 did, and put things in perspective and find the blessings where we can. So anyway, I am here with an Inloveartshop video to do. I already showed the dies, so I'm going to show my projects that I made with the dies. You also have the discount code link below, as well as the links for each of the dies that I use. Can't talk, sorry. So I showed you in my last haul that I got this ice cream die set. So it's actually a 5-piece set, two pieces of little small circles, but you see the waffle cone, and you can layer it, make a shaker out of it as well. And I'll just show you real quickly. I just made some ice cream cones, and there's a lot of other things you could do with them. I just made some with double, triple ice cream cones, and you can make them like embellishments. You can put glitter on them, you can make shakers out of them. It just says yum. So just showing you that you can add it on to something to make it into an embellishment. I also have this snow cone die set, and this is a 5-piece set. And again, you can make this into a shaker. So this, I didn't use this piece, which is the snowflakes, and these are just like the little bars in the base, and these two right here you can layer. So with that said, I just made 2 little quick shakers, and this one says yes, and this one says hugs. Just 2 of them that I picked up. 2 that I put in there, and little shakers. Sorry about the lighting, it's late at night. Then I got this one because I kind of wanted something a little different. When I saw this, the first thing I thought about this one was like putting like something like this inside of it, a little notepad, a little sticky pad. So this one's a little bigger, but they do have some you can cut them off with. Alright, sorry about that. My phone rang while I was videotaping. So anyway, this is a little bigger, but when I thought about this, I thought about Post-it note. Something that you can slide in there, ink pad or something like that. So I just made a couple of those, and I'll show you those real quick. So here's one, and I put some acetate in here and a sticker, and actually one of the ice cream cones. Again, this lighting is not the best. Oh, that's better, I think. But anyway, so that's it, and you can see from the side, you can slide that in there. Just need to cut it to fit. But, so that's a cute little, and you just, on the back is a flap, you just have to glue it, or whatever like that. I made another one like that, and I hole punched it at the top and put a ribbon through it so you can close it that way. And the next one is another one I made too, and I just put one of the toppers on top of it, which is actually this die, which is a bag topper, but I added on top of this because it's a bag topper. So you can use it that way. I also, here's one just made plain. Here's one with that's the bigger one. And then I also, there's another one, plain. And then I have 2 more dies. So this one is the larger size of that one. Oh, this I was looking for. You could put it on the tag and make it a tag. Here's the larger version of the same one, up the ice cream cone on that one. So again, you can combine your dies to make multiple looks. And here's another bag topper. Let's put hooray on that one. The blank one. And then this one just says, with the ice cream on it, and it just says wish. I also got this box die. And this is a small box, but I showed you dimensions on the other one, so it's a cute little teeny box. This one reminds me of something that you could put like a little Hershey Kiss in, maybe 2 Hershey Kisses, some peppermint, or maybe even like the individual small miniature candy bars. So I'm going to just put a sticker on it. Here's one I put a piece of ribbon on it and to make it into a little purse. So you can make it into a little purse and you can decorate it more in detail on the front. And I would say on this one, when you get it, before you tuck it, you want to make sure this piece right here gets something that you can roll it with like that to make it curl, and then push it in. It goes in a lot easier. So there are all my dies and my projects that I made using my Inloveartshop dies. So you can check out the pictures on Instagram, DaretoBeCreative one. But thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Check out their channel, their website. Go to their website, all the links below, and the discount code is included below. They ship really, really fast, so you can get whatever they have, other stuff besides just dies. They have stamps, embossing folders, papers, tools, different things like that too, and diamond dots. So check out their website. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.